Hello everyone, today I will make a barbecue spare ribs in a pot. Here are my ingredients. Spare ribs, sugar, virgin oil, salt and pepper to taste, barbecue sauce, hickory, pork seasoning, ketchup, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, share cooking wine, vinegar. First guys, what I will do is clean this spare ribs and slice it and marinate this for 30 minutes. Then after that, I will pan fry the spare ribs. Okay guys, I will start cutting now and clean this spare ribs. Hello everyone. Now we will start pan fry the spare ribs. As what I said guys, this is barbecue in a barbecue in a pot instead of in a grill. First we will pan fry this. We'll just pan fry this guys until this one become a little golden brown. Oops. Okay guys, I will saute the garlic. After I pan fry the oh, after I pan fry the spare ribs, I will saute the garlic. Then I will add the sauce. We'll add water so that we can simmer this for a while until the meat become tender. I will put back all the pork chop guys and simmer it until the pork become tender. It's kind of lots actually. Lots. I guess I will add more water. Extra water. I will add extra water, guys. And I will put the lid. And wait until this meat become tender. This is thick. Need to be at the bottom. This meat is thick. Okay, guys, I will put this now. This nor cube. I'll put now the nor cube for flavor. Now we'll put the lid to simmer this until the meat become fully tender. We'll simmer it for 30 minutes, guys. Hello everyone. After we, this, guys, boiled. It's almost. I will use this. Yeah, I already boiled this for more than 30 minutes, guys. So it's tender now. And I will do the shortcut. I bought this barbecue hickory, guys. Instead, I will make a sauce. I will just put a little bit of this because while ago I already make a sauce. When I marinate, I'll just put a little bit of this for extra flavor. But you guys, you can make your own. You can make your own barbecue sauce if you want. Together with the ingredients that we marinated, and you guys should just adjust the taste. Yeah, this. Oh. I just don't want to splash the sauce to me. Yeah, I already boiled this for quite a while. So, now it's almost done, guys. Our spare ribs barbecue in the pot. Almost done. I didn't put the light. Forgot to put the light. I just don't want to stick it at the bottom. Burnt at the bottom, so just need to move it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is our spare ribs barbecue in the pot. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.